Life at home has always been at the heart of everything we do at Whirlpool Corporation. That's why we've been innovating for 110 years to create industry-leading products for people.
We test everything that we do with our users, and we take it to heart that we want to build something that's useful. Fortunately, everyone on the team interacts with appliances every day. They understand those pain points. Those pain points, we actually bring them to the office and talk with other people that use our products as well to understand if they're encountering the same thing. We don't want to do technology for technology's sake, but to use technology to take work off your hands and allow the appliance to do it for you.
We design products that make people's everyday lives just a little bit easier.
We're very excited about the improvements made to the third rack on our new dishwashers. It really takes every piece of space and makes it useful. In the laundry room, especially with some of the digital improvements we've made there in the app, we're providing information on how to take care of those stubborn stains. We send the information to the appliance so it can be set on the right cycle with the right options, and you can have confidence that we'll get that stain out.
Every single component is carefully researched and tested by our user experience design team. We spend hundreds of hours observing how people use their appliances.
After we have concepts, we start doing the enhancement research. That means we test the concepts and we found a new opportunity to refine and improve the concept to make the design even better for the consumers.
All so we can design quality, reliable products that help improve life at home.